This is Five Peaks Lookout, a stunning home designed by Scott Todd Edwards Architecture, located in the heart of Oregon's wine country, United States. Perched atop the Chehalem Mountains, this 4,500 square foot residence offers breathtaking views of five iconic peaks: Jefferson, Hood, Adams, St. Helens, and Rainier. The design harmonizes modern aesthetics with the natural terrain, featuring expansive glass walls that invite the outdoors in. A blend of wood, stone, and steel materials enhances its contemporary yet warm appeal. The home seamlessly integrates with the sloped landscape, creating a perfect balance between openness and intimacy. This modern living space features floor-to-ceiling glass walls, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor environments. The open layout, minimalist furniture, and natural materials like wood and concrete create a warm yet contemporary aesthetic. A suspended linear fireplace and abstract artwork add visual interest. This modern kitchen seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor spaces through floor-to-ceiling glass walls, enhancing natural light and ventilation. The sleek, minimalist cabinetry contrasts with the raw concrete elements, while the spacious island, adorned with warm wood and pendant lighting, serves as both a functional workspace and a stylish gathering point. This dining area features a raw concrete fireplace, a sleek wooden table, and modern pendant lighting, seamlessly blending industrial and contemporary design with expansive glass walls. A modern staircase with floating wooden steps, a sleek metal railing, and expansive glass panels, seamlessly blending industrial concrete with nature-inspired transparency for an open, airy ambiance. A modern bedroom with a floating wooden bed, integrated side tables, and a black accent wall. The open layout seamlessly connects to a spa-like bath with outdoor views. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.